Alright, so here's 2 York units at this Outlets place. York LX series unit right here, micro channel. Emerson scroll. Gotta make this kind of quick. 2014 5-ton. The small 5-ton. And here's the newer one right here. Looks like it also has an Emerson scroll as well. Pretty nice units, other than micro channel. Four-ton from 2014. So it looks like in 2014 they just switched over to this design, because this one's from 2014 as well. And I don't know if they still make the LX series, but I don't know if these have been running. No, they haven't been running. It's pretty warm today, actually. Oh well. Alright. Thanks for watching.